Okay, here we are in our little shelter.
Really cold, like really cold.
Here's Michaela putting her gloves on.
And I'm just like, my hands are real cold, so it's hard to pull it down.
Yeah, and it's freezing and it's raining. And this is looking quite lethal.
Oh my god, what did you drop there?
We're having lunch. We just had cabin bread with cheese and relish and cucumber and salami. And here's Gabby getting her pack sorted out. She's a bit scared of the water as well.
I'm scared. I really need to pee, but I can't fart.
And this is the river, but there's not much water in it. Well, there's a bit,
Well, that's
but I can't zoom.
Rain.
Yeah, and it's raining. Yeah, and it's just, we're in this little forest thing.
And it's gay.
And it's very muddy, and, well, not here. And these are my shoes. And we're all wearing our raincoats and stuff. And I'm really worried about this. Okay, peace out.
We just want to keep walking so we get warm again, but it's going to be real slippery. But my head's so cold that I need another beanie.
Yeah. Okay, well, we're going to go now, so goodbye.